Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to quickly show you my planner for the week of February 12th through the 18th, which we are now in. Today is Monday, and I just wanted to hurry up and film this so I can get this up to you guys. I do apologize. I know I keep getting requested to actually do my planner on camera, like decorate it. I will do next week on camera. I just been super busy, and I sat down and did this like in the middle of the night, so I wasn't able to film, which sometimes that's the only free time that I have, is like late at night, and I don't be wanting to bust out a camera. So let me just share with you guys. First of all, this is a little paper clip that I think I got from Target Dollar Spot. So all I did basically was put some of my Sweet Love washi tape across the top, some little hearts all over. Now these gold hearts are also down here at the bottom, as you can see, like that. And this was some trim that came from Target, and I just cut it, and then I used some washi tape at the bottom, and then I put a little bit of glue and glued those down so they're on there. Then up here I just put a little camera for film day, which is today, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Just some cute little porcupines kissing, love you tons, washi tape. Right here, just a little water bottle that says drink more, and more of this, which is coffee. Then I just kind of randomly placed some of the little gold hearts on Valentine's Day. Some washi tape from Dollar Tree that says kiss. Then I added some lips and an owl with a heart. And then right here, I just added a rain cloud with some rain, because it's really overcast and it's sprinkling today, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So I just put the little rain cloud right here. Over here where it says notes, I added a phone, because this is where I'll kind of write what I need to do through the week and who I need to call. And I added a cute little cupcake type ice cream cone. She looks like a cupcake, but I know it's ice cream. And she feels really, it has glitter, so it's cute. And then I just added some little hearts for some bullets over here. Then over here, I added another bookmark with the lips. The same washi tape over here. Oh, I did use my red glitter washi tape down the side, and I think I got that from Target last year. That was some Scotch washi, which I added over here as well. Then right here, I just put my little banner. Instead of putting it across the top, I did a diagonal for the weekend. Then I did a little mason jar, kiss, hugs, and love. And my cute little strawberry washi tape. My lips washi tape. This one came from Target, I think 2 years ago. This is from Dollar Tree, I think last year or the year before that. Then I just added the planner, some washi tape, and some wine for Saturday. To remember to do my planner. And then another film day on Friday, a cute little heart, and movies and chill. But there's something that's coming on Monday, on Sunday, that's brand new, and I cannot remember at this moment. I wrote it down. It's downstairs, but I'll put it at the bottom of the screen, because in case you guys want to watch it, it's something new that's coming on that I'm excited by. So I meant to write it in, but I forgot. So that is this week's planner right here, and I think it's cute. The only thing that I'm not too happy with this happy planner this time around is at the bottom. The reason why I have to put the washi tape is because, like, see how it has the pizza right there? So on the pages you have the theme of the food. Since the front of my planner was this theme, there's usually food and stuff like a theme at the bottom. So I had to cover that up with the polka dot washi, and then I put the hearts on top of it. But besides that, I love my happy planner. That's really, so far, the planner that is my go-to is a happy planner. Especially because you can take the pages out. Like, you can pop them out and then pop them back in. I like that. So that is it for this week. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. I hope you have a really nice day and a beautiful week. Stay tuned because I am getting ready to, I did a few embellishments and stuff. I was going to do them in this video, but I'll do it separate. I made a few of them and I'm getting ready to film those really quick. So stay tuned because I'll be showing those as well. Thank you for watching and I'll talk to you later. Bye.